pushing me closer to the edge again. The edge again. Suffocating underneath. Try to numb the pain. I just wanna feel again. Bloodshot eyes, I know I can. You pull me under. You keep pushing me closer to the edge again. Si yo no quisiera, te diría I will never say forgiveness. Tú dime como supieras si no me amas, si no me amas. You're like a disease eating away at me, breaking everything that I love, leaving me in misery. Don't call me a victim, 'cause I'm just a slave. You keep pushing me closer to the edge again. The edge again. Suffocating underneath. Try to numb the pain. You hit me like thunder. Sé que me haces falta. Y cada vez que nos juntamos me derramas lo que siempre escondo en mí. You pull me under. Even if I try to hide, try to run, you got your teeth in me and I'm tired of fighting. So give me a reason, 'cause I'm at the end. You keep pushing me closer to the edge again. The edge again. Suffocating underneath. Try to numb the pain. I just wanna feel again. Bloodshot eyes, I know I can. You pull me under. You keep pushing me closer to the edge again. You keep pushing me closer to the edge again. The edge again. Suffocating underneath. Try to numb the pain. I just wanna feel again. Bloodshot eyes, I know I can. You pull me under. You keep pushing me closer to the edge again.
What is up, my family, and welcome back to the channel, man. Where is everybody at today? Go ahead and throw those A's in the chat if you can hear your boy speak. Let me see those A's in the chat right away if you can hear your boy speak, man. Let's see what's up. Guys, I'm coming at you at what time right now, man? It's got to be early in the morning for those East Coasters. You guys are crazy, man, coming in at this time. What is up, man? What is up, my family? Good to see everybody in here. What's up, Titty Sprinkles, bro? I can't get over that name ever. I gotta say it every single time I see it come by on the chat. I gotta say it out loud. What's up, Wolf? Good to see you in there. My buddy Coin, dude. Man, the whole trading team is already in here too, man. I love it. Justin, what's up? Oh yeah, man. We're gonna get this thing rolling, guys. We're gonna get it rolling. Right? At least I wanted to put together a little bit of a stream here for you guys, right? Because we were going over some of those price targets earlier in the video. So congratulations if you caught the video already. You were already way ahead of the curve. You already know what the targets are going to be looking like for tomorrow and what? Maybe Tuesday, maybe Wednesday as well. We don't have a short week. We're not quite in the clear yet, though, right? But we still, you know, we still got that edge for you here. So guys, make sure as you're coming in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Sebastian, what is up? Good to see you here, buddy. I'm super stoked to be streaming tonight, guys. What is up, Ronnie? Destiny, good to see you in there as well. RN3037, what's up? Cali Supreme, fire, bro. Stuart, what's up? Good to see you in there, man. Damon Wiggs, my bro, coming in. What is up, man? Good to see you here. Good to see you here. Sorry, I haven't said everything to everybody, right? But I can see you. I can see you. Knifey, yes. So can we ban commenters now or what? Yes. Actually, me and my moderators. Oh, where are you at, Aiden? I see you in there. I see you. Hold up. I'm gonna let's see. I'm gonna remove your moderation like this, and then I'm gonna add you as a managing moderator, buddy. All right, there you are. Stupid Bitcoin, what's up, buddy? We have Jesus Rod coming in. What's up, man? Good to see you there. Ian Tucker, my bro, sharing that like. That's right, man. Hit that like button, bro. Smash that thing as you're coming in, right? Make sure to subscribe. We're going to go ahead and finesse and tickle that little algorithm, right? So we can get some more peeps to come in. Paul Orr, my bro. Good to see you in there too, man. What's up, Chris? Yo to you. That's right. Oh, man. Don't tell me the ATL is in the house, my bro. Are you in Atlanta OG or what? Let's go. Smoke, what's up, buddy? I see the let's fucking go. I see it, man. Right now, everybody's kind of looking at their notifications on their phone like, bro, is this guy for real? Is he about to be on? Like, am I about to click on this live stream and get all hyped up? I'm not going to be able to see the price action into tomorrow because I saw the whole live stream. It's all good, man. It's all good. Game Banger, I see you in there too, man. What's up, Robert? Good to see you there. RJS, my bro. I see you in there, man. That's right, man. We're on the Mile High crew right here. What's up, Toby? Good to see you guys in the chat, man. Good to see you guys in here. And you know what? I'm not gonna lie. Usually when I stream this late, there tends to be an opening to the other side of the world coming in too, right? So now we got to get them used to coming in too, right? We're gonna get them coming into the late night streams. So this is actually, you know what? I don't know if you noticed that I did name this the early AM stream. People are gonna be like, what? Joe H, my bro, good to see you there. I love it, man. I love it. Come through, my bro. Come through. What's up, Austin? Good to see you there, man. Steve Cole, my bro. There's no rest for the wicked, says Steve Cole. Oh, dude. Good times indeed. Cyber Soul, what's up, buddy? Oh, Paul, bro. What am I going to do with you, man? Thank you. I love you so much, my brother. I love you so much. Saying thanks for everything, Arca. The pride in your work and the care you have for all your members is like none other. Thank you so much, my dude. I can't express to you how that makes me and my family feel, dude. Every single time it happens, buddy. Thank you so much. Now, Nicola coming in and saying good morning from the UK. Nicola, go ahead and let us know what time it is for you, my bro, because this is what I was just saying to the rest of the team, right? Because usually when I come into this late, it gives an opportunity for literally the other side of the world from me. I'm in Los Angeles, California, right? So usually when I come in this late, it allows the other side of the world to come in and say, what's up, right? So why don't you go ahead and share with us what time it is in the UK right now so that we see what's up, Turf? Good to see you there, man. Brian, I see you there, buddy. Texas in the house. Nice. I love it. You know what? When we stream and have a normal group of people right here, right? Because we usually end up, usually around 200 to 400. And then we pop off on the really busy days to 1,000 to 800, right? So right now oh man, you guys are coming in with the cities anyway. All right, fine. Blaster City's in there. Let me know where you're coming from, right? Right here, we have Turf coming in from Jamaica. What is up, my bro? Robert coming in from Maine. We have UK with Nicola. So now, Travis, what's up, my bro? Good to see you there saying, what's good, Arca? Monday, 4 p.m. here in, oh, dude, so it's 4:15 p.m. in New Zealand right now. Nice, bro. Come through. What's up, Julie? How you doing? How's everything with you? You're talking about Clove being the next squeeze. The CEO vows to continue buying. So he said fair value is over $25, and now they're starting a share buyback. Is that actually the truth? Guys, Clove is about to squeeze? Woo! Assad, what's up? Saying good morning from Germany. You guys, take a look at that. Southern California, we have Northern California. We have, okay, yep, midday there in is that Austria or Australia? Right? United Arca Bulls says game banger. Let's go. Vancouver, Canada in the house. All right. I see you, RJS. I see you there. Puerto Rico in the house. Riverside. All right. We have Durango, Colorado coming in. Yeah, what's up, OG? We have Ethiopia. What is up, man? Damn. Let's go. All right. Arizona. Let's go. Denver, Colorado. We have another Denver local there. Cool. Chicago. We got Saudi Arabia. What is up, Grey Pape? Good to see you there. Toronto, Canada. Southern Indiana. We have Chi-Town, baby. And of course, check it out. Mans is telling us that he's coming in from Sweden right now. You guys, yeah, so it's an interesting time, right? And I'm happy that you guys across the world are able to catch me right now, because this is not my typical time of streaming, right? But I did say it out loud that, guys, this actually may be cool, because we may be introducing here the other side of the world to come by and say what's up, right? So we have, look at that. Cocoa Beach, is that really Florida? Nice. Arizona Bullhead, let's go. Nice. Paul Orr, my bro, get in the Discord. You won't regret it. Arca and his team will make you money. My brother, guys, you know what? We're going to go ahead and use Paul's donations here for 2 lucky people to win their entry to the Arca Bulls trading team, right? So we're going to make sure that 2 of you will win. So make sure to continue interacting with the channel. Make sure to continue saying what's up here, right? And saying hello to the rest of the team members for a lucky chance, for two lucky ones to chance to win for the trading team. You know what I'm trying to say, man. My vocals are all off. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at this right here. Right? So Arizona Bullhead, we saw that. All right, cool. Indianapolis, nice. Virginia, cool. Ethiopia coming through again. What's up, man? Nice. Paul, that was just you. I got you. So you just got back from seeing a SpaceX rocket launch from my backyard. Mark, that is pretty fucking awesome. I gotta say, I love the update, because not everyone can just say that, right? So Jay Allen coming in from Detroit. Let's go. And it all started with, I forgot who it was representing the ATL up on top, right? Guys, now we're seeing right now over 100 people streaming, checking out the stream right now. So please make sure to hit that like button as you're coming in, right? Interact with the channel, right? Let's get this thing to really, when we do that, guys, when we finesse the algorithm, it brings in more viewers, and it brings in another potential participant in the market to understand how to trade the financial markets another way, right? So and whoever it is that you listen to, whoever it is that you are inspired by, right? Just watch them, forward test them, right? If they're putting out the targets out there, see if they're valid. If they're not valid, well, I don't know what to tell you, right? But I encourage you to do it to me and to everyone else right there, right? Only trust yourself. Do not trust anyone else. All right, you guys. So what's up? But what else do we have? So see, hopefully they send it up to Dock and Rescue those 2 people stuck at what? Is there really somebody stuck? Damn, that sucked. So now Preston G is asking, where am I from, Arca? I am actually from Los Angeles, California. Right now in Los Angeles, California, it is 9:19 p.m. And I know that it's clear in the day, or maybe even afternoon, all the way across the world, right? Nicholas saying, I'm hoping to see a rocket launch when we head to Florida in September. That's your bucket list. My bro, I'm sure you're going to be able to catch it. It's going to be amazing. Coin Fox, my brother, saying long team Arca with that fine dono. I love it, buddy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Now, friends, what is up, dude? Good to see you right here, man. We're trying to get finessed up in here, bro. It's all good, man. Yeah, guys. So yeah, that's where I'm coming from, right? I'm coming at you from LA. So I know a lot of people have actually told me that they can tell that I'm from LA just by my accent. And I'm like, what does that mean? Right? I'm like, are you trying to say I'm... So OG, hold on. Say that out loud so everybody can hear you. Say it out loud, go.
I said I got to call bullshit on that one. I thought you were Asian. Only because you could do math.
That's coming in from OG. That is the OG saying that he thought I was Asian because I could do math.
And you got to change my name from OG because these people think you're talking about old guy instead of OGG. Either call me Gorilla or OGG.
It's
so
OGG. We're going to have to go ahead and make sure that we frame the guy with OGG forever. Oh, dude. So Nicholas saying, I noticed Ian. Not sure. Okay, you're talking to Ian. Good job. Guys,
sorry,
nice. Paul Orr saying to like and subscribe. Make sure to get it done, man. Make sure to get it done right away. We're getting close to that nice little threshold where we can actually get the 100 likes in there, right? So please make sure, guys, do me that favor, right? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're getting very, very close here. So we're going to start off the analysis. I'm not sure if you already caught the videos that I put up, right? But I definitely did a GME video yesterday and I did an AMC release today expressing some details, right? So I'm not going to be able to go through those details as intricate as I did into those video releases, but guess what? We are here now. We're going to be able to go over those potentials, and I'm going to show you what confluence and how rhyming of targets can be, right? So make sure to hit that like button. Let's get this thing rolling. Chris McDaniel, my bro, thank you so much, dude. That really means a lot to me, man, and the family. I got to say, man, every single dollar that you guys help out with here goes straight to the team, right? We make sure to put together great programs, great content. We continue supporting. We trade that team every single day, right? So make sure to join the Arca Bulls trading team and come on by, right? I absolutely love to see you guys engaging like this, man. Thank you so much, everybody. We're now just above 125 viewers right now, so it's definitely increasing, right? We're getting a little bit of, I can see the shyness coming in from some of the viewers, right? But it's all good, guys. It's all good. I want you to know that I'm here, right? I'm here. Now you can actually ask questions to me. Right? So now, Stuart, what are you saying, buddy? Found a possible ripper with ACHR. I'm not going to lie. I think we actually did ACHR a while ago, too. I mean, a while ago being like maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago or something like that, man. Steve Cole, my bro, saying paying it forward, team Arca. Let's go, man. Damn, guys. Are we really about to do that? Guys, we're about to put 4 opportunities up on a table here. So there could be 4 lucky winners to gain a free month for the Arca Bulls trading team. So make sure to keep engaging, and we're going to randomly select you, and you're definitely going to remind me. Paul Orr and Bogo saying OGG. Dab on them. Let's go. Leave no 8 behind says, what's up? Say, what's up, bro? Let's go. I love it, man. It broke out Friday. That's awesome. Guys, you know what? Actually, that reminds me of something. Let me just go ahead and find out where the price action is at the current moment. Let's see where we are, right? I want to know where we are as far as the price. I know that we're looking at one individual book, right? But sure, whatever. Let's just see what the sentiment could be bringing. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here AMC for the 24-hour market. And let's see where it's at. Okay, well, we're not getting that because AMC is ridiculous. Let me see if GME is getting it. All right, GME is sitting. Let me go ahead and note it down here. So where is that? 23. Okay, so it's coming into 23.84 right now, right? So where is this 23.84? Right about here. It's still close to the weekly close. Very much around where we were sitting anyway. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to write anything different. It's still there. We're doing good. I got to say that it did ride up for a bit, though. It went up to 24. Where was it? 24.04 is roughly where it went to. But it's just hovering based on one book, guys. It's all good. Paul Orr, let's make it 5. All right, we're going to do now 5 lucky winners for the Arca Bulls trading team. So you may have a chance to win this. Paul, I love you, buddy. Thank you. That's a big ass boost, bro. Let's go. I love it, man. Okay, 5 of you are definitely going to win this. And that's, I mean, we're sitting right now at 126 people, right? So that's, I got to say that the odds are pretty freaking good if it stays at 126, right? So Turf is saying, I like the energy, my bro. I definitely try to do that, especially for the people that are just waking up in the East Coast right now. They're waking up from what? They're waking up at midnight to come and watch the Arca Bulls trading stream, right? So we are now streaming to them, waking them up on a Sunday night, getting ready for their work on next day. And they're like, damn it, freaking Arca coming on live all late like always. What is he doing? So now Anthony Harris is saying, please, I would love to join. Man, let's go. Dude, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Game Banger saying, Arca, you're missing the QR code display. Am I really? Hold up. No way. Wait, refresh your page. You probably, I think you can see it. Refresh your page, Game Banger. Let me know that it's still there. All right, so Mans saying I had an alarm on 5 a.m. Bro, no, don't say that if it's not true, my buddy. I'm about to screenshot that shit. Everybody's gonna know. Everybody's gonna know. I just outed you. So here we go. My man's just said, literally, his name is Mans Everguard, but my man's just said that he said, I love your videos, right? But he also said, I had an alarm on 5 a.m. for this. Guys, that is die hard. Mans, are you a member of the Arca Bulls trading team? Speak to me. It's true, I'm Swedish. Dude, Mans, you work in 2 hours. Bro, you woke up 2 hours early so that you can come on to the Arca Bulls trading stream. Dude, bro, you straight up, I'm not lying, bro. You straight up deserve a free month for the Arca Bulls trading team. Bro, what the hell, man? That is absolutely amazing. I don't even know. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm just going to leave it at I can't even. Okay? So, because it's true. Because it's true.
That man deserves it. The
man deserves it, bro. And the Mans, he deserves it. So we're going to go ahead and provide this link in here for you. Okay, buddy? So he goes, no, I just watch your videos and I enjoy them. So you're just going to have to come and watch them in the Arca Bulls trading team. So hit that link that I just provided for you there. And I'm going to allow you in the Discord. So make sure to come by immediately. And I'm going to see you there. I love you, buddy. And I don't even know if he's going to claim it, right? So we may actually still have 5 lucky people. Preston G, what the heck are you talking about, man? Are you asking me about T? Wasn't that T2 the other one that we were looking at the last time, bro? How can I say no to you when this is an AMC and GME stream, and right now I can't even say no to you because you just did that awesome gesture for me, buddy. Of course I can do this for you, bro. Let's give it a quick look. What's the daily time frame? All right, so the daily time frame, we remember the last time we talked about this, we were talking about a downside first to these levels here. Right? We got them. Nice. But we didn't go all the way down there. We got to the 50% retrace of this one. 154.28. Don't stop liking those videos, guys. I'm saying that live. Hit the like right now, team, because I love you. And because I'm asking you. Let's make sure to finesse that algorithm and get some more people here in the chat. Arby, say no. I can't resist. He donated. He said, listen, I know you're doing AMC and GME, but just look at this for me real quick at the exchange of a dollar. Here you go. I love you, buddy. I got you, man. No worries. So yeah, actually this formation here is a pretty bullish one, right? This could be considered your bullish abandoned baby. And I'm not kidding by that, guys. I didn't come up with that fucking name. Don't start giving me bullshit because I swear to God, I did not come up with that name. We're going to pull up the receipts right now on Google, and I'm about to show you what the bullish abandoned baby is, all right? So Y'all are thinking right now, this motherfucker right here just coming up with all kinds of weird names. This guy, I know he just came up with that name. Ain't nobody calling that nothing. All right, but to your surprise, let's go ahead and take a look at the receipts right over here, right? So take a look at the screen. And this is definitely called a bullish abandoned baby formation, right? And that usually represents a potential reversal in price action. And you are observing that very formation right over here, right? So there you go. I'm not only going to bring you the facts and I'm not only going to bring you the education, but I got you. All right, man. So, RB, love you, buddy. So, all right, now that we know, right, now that we know that Arca didn't come up with that really, really, abusive and murderous name for the candle formation, now we can move on. Shut up. All right, here we go. Not a problem, Hobbs. I got you, buddy. I got you. Now, Jeff saying abandoned baby bull. That could be a better name. You know what? We should write a fucking letter. We should write a letter to 1985 and have them fucking change that from then. All right? Joey saying, Arca, what are these green and red boxes on the screen? Well, these represent large dildos, right? This is a green one and this is a red one. And I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. So these are candles, right? These are candles. They were introduced early on, right? It was introduced to the Western world by the Japanese, right? So then it was a metric. It was a way to measure any exchange of goods. How is it doing during the season? But I gotta say, man, they had probably monthly candles, weekly candles, nothing like the 1 minutes like we have today. Nothing like that at all. Never, right? So they had to bring that candle up by hand, right? And then when there was an exchange, and then they would bring it down when there was another exchange. So it would just you would just see the one dude right there moving the one candle up and down. Guys, there was no trading view. There was no trading view in the 1700s at the end. Abandoned Arby. Do not Google what CoinFox just said. If you want a virus on your PC, Windows computer, Google that. Arca, let's see, Arca, can we make up a bullish? Yeah, you know what? We should do that. We can make up the bullish. No. Dude, OG, that would be bearish. Remember what they do. So that would be the bearish cement shoe.
Yeah, you're right. We got to find one, and we're gonna make that. We're gonna name it. We're gonna start our own new pattern right here for Double X.
This is the Double X pattern. It's gonna be called the bearish cement shoe candle formation, right? So how far does it go down? It goes down double X. That's how far down it goes. That's how far that shit. Good times indeed. Yeah, that Dave Phillips saying the Chinese. I thought it was the Japanese, baby. So now Stuart's saying the dumper behind Arby's is better than the one behind Wendy's. Wait a second, we gotta backtest that though, bro. How do you know that for a fact? We're gonna have to measure the iterations of every single Wendy's and Arby's ever in existence, and then we're gonna have to. Yeah, we got the security cameras to go back on, bro. Don't test me. I love you, buddy. Yeah, that's right, Paul Orr. That's gonna be the bearish cement shoe, right? So. Anyway, so yeah, we got a little bit of a sign here for reversal. Remember, guys, for those of you who are coming in, yes, you do see TTWO, but that's because I got a dono from Preston. We're going to be observing AMC and GME. So because he donoed to the Arca Bulls, I literally can't say no, right? So this guy trapped me, and I love Preston, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the continuation here. Remember what I always tell you guys, right? You're usually going to get your 50% retrace, which is around 44 to 50% of the prior bar, right? So your daily candle already closed here at 158.22. How do you do that? How do you measure that? Right, well, there may be a bunch of shit in here, but it's all good. Let's go ahead and take a measure really simply like this of that bar. The pullback here is, guess where? It's already in a support level that we're already observing. So 157.34 would roughly be that, right? It's confluent to the top end of this candle right here, right? Now, it's also the lower end of this fair value gap, right? So a lot of confluence in there, guys. This is the opening valuation of this candle, right? The closing valuation of this one here, the wick high of this one, it's all good. we're looking at some rhymes here. So let's just go ahead and make sure that we can mark that off real quick. Right, as soon as we finish TTWO, we're going to get into AMC and GME. So make sure to be patient here with me and make sure to like that because we're approaching 100 likes already and I fucking love it. BK is saying Arby's has the meats. Damn it. That's it's making me hungry. But I'm not going to eat fast food ever again. Never again. Okay? Short McDonald's. Fuck that shit. I got fucking sick, really sick, and I'm not gonna do that again. And my family too, bro. It spread like wildfire around the Arca Bulls household. Not gonna happen again, guys. Not gonna happen. Oh, you hungry, son? You hungry? You want McDonald's? Hell no. He said, I want Jack in the Box. Fuck no. We're going home. We're gonna grill some meat. Right? Stay away from the fucking fast food, you guys. You guys are gonna grow your asses. You know. That may be a good or bad thing, but don't do it. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see now the weekly time frame. Now that we can observe here the potential pullback area for the daily time frame here, right? So let's just mark off the receipts just in case. We'll validate it real quick. Right, there's your pullback area here for TTWO. All right, this is for the daily time frame, okay? So make sure to mark off those targets. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame because why? We just got that weekly close. Short racks. That's right. Cali Supreme fire. I love it, man. All right. So now that we got this massive reversal signal, there could be a continuation to the upside on this big ass play. Guys, this is actually a bull flag happening in the macro time. So damn, dude, this might actually have a shot to the upside. Okay. First of all, the weekly time frame closed. It's already way up there. That means we get a pullback. So that means that we get a further shot to the downside to identify a potential better entry. Okay? It does look like a very bullish setup, but we have to pull on back first. Now, we're looking at a pullback on the weekly time frame to the 50% of the prior bar being 156.61, right? Let's mark it off. Now let's get closer to price. So now we have another range to observe. Okay? First of all, I want to go ahead and just kind of minimize the colors here real quick, just so that they're not so in your face, and we'll just make sure to highlight what's really important, at least relevant to the shorter time frame, because I imagine that's what it is. Now, guys, for those of you who are just coming in, please remember, this is just temporary. I'm going to be looking at AMC and GME right after this, right? So I know I publicize AMC GME, right? So hold up, I got to finish this because Preston G is my buddy. He gave me a dono, and we're going to not say no. So, guys, yes. Huge potential retrace here on the third bar, fourth bar continuation, but we definitely need, I'm not going to say it as need. I guess I'm going to say it as typically speaking, right? Typically, we get a pullback, 44 to 50%, the pullback. Now, if that's the case, then we can experience a pullback all the way down to here. And I will give you a whole range because that's just the way it works. Bottom side of this bar here is 155.92. The top side of this bar here is 156.24, and we're the 50% is 156.62. This is what we do. We take into consideration those three levels, and guess where your 50% lands? Right here. Right? So that's an area that we have to kind of note down just in case price action reverses all the way down there, right? So make sure to keep those targets in mind. Never risk what you're not willing to lose, okay? So let's just go ahead and mark these targets, and now you have further receipts to the downside. I am speaking of downside because that's what typically happens, right? We pull back on the prior bar. So, but I do assume, and I'm proposing here that we do get a bounce from anywhere in these targets here. You have a range of around 156 to around 157. All right. So your daily ATR low. Let's find out what the daily ATR range is. Okay. That's cool. It's current time. It's $3, 321. It's no fucking big deal. All right. So if we're gonna deduct $3 from the total average true range on a daily, then we're kind of already there, right? Look at this. The bottom side of the target that we're looking for is 155.92. Daily ATR, $3.21. There you go. So it makes sense mathematically as well, right? No big deal, guys. It just happens like that. So this means that you can be better prepared for an entry on TTWO. All right, you guys keep an eye out for this because it does have a little bit of a pullback coming in. And then you'll be able to get a smack to the upside, right? Your 4-hour time frame is already reading pretty bullish. It's overextension on the hourly, bi-hourly feeling the upside. Yeah. 3-hour, 4-hour upside, 6-hour time frame upside, guys. Yeah. Immediate short-term time frame pullback. Then we continue to the upside. For the upside targets, we're going to need to combat first, guys. Obviously, 159.26. As soon as we're over that, we need to combat the areas of around 160.94. Got to get over that. If you're going to get over this 160.94, yep, we can start to see targets upwards of 163 to around 165, all right? Heads up on those targets. So Preston, love you, buddy. Thank you so much for asking me for this. Thank you for your dono, by the way. And I would like to continue, right? Let's go ahead and get ourselves into AMC and GME. Guys, here is what I'm talking to you about, all right? We got to be sharp. What I just mentioned right now on that ticker TTWO, that is absolutely a real statistic. Typically, at the close of a bar, you get the pullback of the prior bar or a retrace of the prior bar, right? So let's look at this candle, for example, okay? So this candle here, this one, this is our month. We're about to close this month in about 4 days, okay? But this candle had this huge range. You can see that the 50% of this candle here, just kind of eyeball it, right? It looks like it's around 651, 650, right? It could be right around 630 as well. I can't really tell you exactly what it is. But look at the next month, right? It opened, gapped up to 545 and it continued upwards to around $6. And we're already talking about the 50% retrace of this bar. So that's right. It retraces 40 to 50% and then it actually comes back down. To where does it come back down? Well, there's a lot of answers for that. We could look at historical price action to identify its support, right? Preston G, my bro. Thanks for the analysis. Me and my 5 other investors appreciate it. My bro. Dude, thank you so much for your other donation, man. I absolutely love you, buddy. And I hope it does work out the way that we just looked at it, right? Thank you, buddy. Really appreciate you. So, guys, there's, like I was saying, you can retrace to, there are several answers for this, right? Historical price action tells you one, right? One of them is using the opening and closing valuation of the prior bars. This bar here, this is where it closed. Remember, green candles open at the bottom, right? Red candles open on top. So look at the opening of this candle here. Look at the closing of this, the closing of this one, the opening of this one. It's all relative to each other, right? Very relative. So that gives you a target. That's already telling you that this is on its way potentially down to $4.33. Now, you could be saying, wait, but Arca, is that for real? Like, are you talking about a downside like immediately, or is this something that we're just going to get a little bit later? I can tell you right away if it's going to be something right away or not. How? Because remember, we just closed the day on Friday. So that's our first answer. We look at the daily close. So let's go ahead and pull that daily time frame. The daily close is here, okay? So the daily close is telling us that we would face resistance at around 50%, which could be 470, which is also the resistance of all of this area here. Notice that. Opening valuation, closing valuation, opening valuation, wick low, all these resistance. Look at the wick here, right? Lots of areas that have been resisting right at this line. So that means, yeah, 50% pullback, then or retrace, and then you pull back, right? So now look at the daily time frame gap over here, right? Look at this gap. Where am I about to measure? Where's the target? Where's the target? Let's put our candle right there. Where is it? Oh, where is that target located? $4.33 on the daily at the end of that gap. Okay. Now we're noticing that we're rhyming, right? We're rhyming. This is we got the shit, says OG. So yeah. So okay, nice rhyme there, right? Nice rhyme. But let me take you deeper into that rhyme. Now take a look at this, right? We also have a 4-hour formation. This is called a wolf, right? The wolf happens when you break below the regression. on a falling wedge. So we have rhyming targets even here. On a 4-hour time frame, look to the left. $4.35 on a 4-hour gap. And remember, the 4 hour shows you post and pre-market activity. The daily does not. So even in the post-market and pre-market, nothing happened in this void. So that can already give you a hint that we're going to continue to the downside to bounce from there. That could be a good demand zone for us, right? Now, how do I know this? How do I know all these little tricks and details? Well, guys, it's because I'm an instructor. Reach out to me, ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com. Get yourself in the course right away, because I will tell you this, tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. Pacific, we're going to repeat week 1 live with me. So week 1 already started on Saturday. Tomorrow will be week 1 repeated live with me, okay? Make sure to get in touch with me. Make a change. This is going to be the crash course for the beginner's mentorship program for charting and trading. Anyway, let's dive in again. So as soon as we get that downside, now here comes the upside. Here comes the reversal. What are we going to do for price action to the upside? Well, that's why we measured this formation right here, right? So we have a wolf. The wolf, you measure your wave 1, 2, 3, and 4, connect wave 1 to 4, and your upside target could be located in here. Luckily for you, I already did that because I released this video already, right? So these are going to be your upside targets based on a move to the upside. It's got to be impulsive though. It's got to be impulsive. Because we're talking about the confluence here of a 4-hour time frame. This is a 2 standard deviation jump. So your 2 standard deviation multiplier on a Bollinger Band is $5.47. And look at my topside target. I'm already rhyming with stats, right? $5.54 could be your absolute top. And guess what? Look at your daily ATR top. So that means that what an ATR means, it's an average true range. That means that this asset can move $5.46 up or down in any given day. So we're already looking at $5.46 as your top. I already have $5.45 in full discretion. Why? Because it's the top side of your wedge. It's right here. It's already given to you by price action. So you tell me, Arca, you're a data guy though. You always measure iterations and you look at systems trading. Yes, I do. But I have a very strong discretion as well, meaning that I don't always trust my system because that's not me. What do I trust more than my system? I trust price action, raw price, more than my system. Because what you're observing here is behavior. You're noticing us. This is us being fearful. This is us being greedy, right? This is us being fearful here too. Consolidation means indecision. Consolidation means that we don't know what's about to happen. So are we going to price the indecision as bearish or bullish? When you're trading on a 50% zone, it's very hard to say. Right? But if I put it down to you like this and show you that the 50% of our box is right here at 468, we're at 455. We're really hovering in between the middle. So we're at an indecision. Not everybody can identify things like this, but it's okay, guys. That's why I'm here to help you out. I want to make sure that you can prove to yourself that you can understand what price does. So it's not going to be, let me show you this. Just while you're here with me, just let me show you real quick. Just so you can know how far I can take it, right? Let me pull this up for you. So this is one of the things I sell. This is my indicator. This is an indicator based on a different outlook of volatility bands. So this tells me when to buy and when to sell, right? So this indicator is literally able to tell me that. So, but I don't really trust all that too much. I built it. Yes, I built it on a set of criteria that can assist me in determining the overall direction. That's cool. I'm not, guys, and that's not it. Look at this. I'll bring up another one. This is another one of my indicators. So this thing had you buy down here at 479 and had you short at 487. So I have many of these. This thing had you long down here around 469 and it had you sell up here around 530. So I am selling these and I am doing these and I build them and I use them. Yes, but that's not what I trust. I'm showing you that I have systems that can automatically tell me whether the market is going to be sold or whether it's going to be bought. But I don't use that. And why I don't use that as much and why I'm shilling against my own technology is because price action is key. Because price action is your future, your present, and your past. In order for you to understand where you're going, you must know where you were. So what's going to tell you that? Price. Price will tell you that. And even in an immediate short term, let's just look at one day. This is a daily candle. This is one single day. This candle is telling you that it opened up. This candle, remember, red opens on top. This candle is telling you that it opened up at 483. It moved up to 487. This is why the wick is left there. Because from the opening, it went up to this level here, rejected from that 487, then traveled its way all the way down to the area of about 447. And then it came back up and closed its day at $4.55. What did I just say to you? What I just said to you is that I know the history of this candle because it's telling me the history. And because we have prior candles before that, this is how we can understand where we can go in the future based on the prior closes, wick tops, range lows, gaps. That's how I know where price action goes. So then we start involving systems and formations and whatever else. Again, you guys, I know this shit because I teach it. Get in touch with me, ArcMastersCourse, and I'll see if I have enough space for this one to get you into the beginner's trading course. Reach out to me immediately. So guys, let's go ahead and now determine what GME is looking like. Does it have similar behavior to what we just observed for AMC? Because yeah, we're getting the weekly pullback. We're getting the daily pullback. Well, actually daily retrace, right? Short-term upside, immediate short up, and then it would pull back. Here's another thing that not everybody is kind of looking at. The fact that, let's see if I have it up here. I don't. Okay, it's okay. But we just received very bullish news on Apple and who was it? Meta. An AI partnership that just came out today. What does that mean for AMC and GME? Well, if the S&P 500, if the NASDAQ pressure to the upside violently, because that could happen. Meta and Apple, those are heavy weights. Apple is a leader. It is the largest traded company by market cap today. So if it's bringing up another giant with it, that means that we're going to have two very impactful stocks bringing up the entire marketplace. And now we don't have any catalysts really coming up, unless I'm mistaken. Please let me know in the chat right away. Right? We don't have any catalysts coming up for GME or AMC, right? Other than I think that was it, right? Whatever. But yeah, if we're in the clear, that means there's nothing to bring price down. So if the broader markets start to push up by themselves, that means that AMC and GME will also follow in that trend. And the downside that we're giving right now as a forecast is in fact a pullback. Because we're going to get the pullback based on statistics, right? We're going to get that 50% retrace. We'll bounce off of that, and that could be your V-shaped recovery. That could be the upside coming in slightly after that. I fucking love it, guys. I love it. So let's go ahead and take a look at GME to see if it had that behavior as well. Okay, don't pay attention to this large candle. This is actually my drawing here. If you're very curious, I'll go ahead and explain it to it, right? But that was based on the video that I just released. This is your weekly candle. We just closed it. So if we got that weekly all the way down here, that usually means that we could get, remember, a 40 to 50% retrace. That takes us back to these targets here. Your 50% retrace is located exactly at 2620. But since we have the opening valuation of this candle here at 2638, that brings up a might as well theory. Right? Your thesis is going to be, why not? Because you're 15 ticks away from it. 2620 to 2635. Those ticks are a might as well. Okay? So now the low of this week here is 2525. So that is something that we have to pay attention to. This is why I'm giving you these targets here, that in this vicinity, we can experience price in the immediate short. Because the simple fact is that we just got that weekly close. The upside is more probable than not, right? Might have to tighten it up just a little bit here, but it's all good. Now, what I'm saying here is that this might not be the overall upside and then to the moon. What I'm saying is that there's still a potential that we get a resistance from 2635 and still be able to pull back even into this zone right here. If we pull back to 2280, I've talked to you guys several times about the 2284, 2281, 2280 now. Several times I've talked to you about this. This is the low of this week here. If that happens, there is a massive bounce to be figured from there, and then you would potentially close the week at the 2394 by Friday, in 5 days from now. If that happens, this is the candle you're building. So now whether it's going to be red or green, I don't know, but it doesn't matter the color. It matters the structure and where it's being built. Why is Arca saying that? Because this would be an inverted hammer after a downtrend. Usually when you get an inverted hammer with huge price like this, that can usually show you that there could be a V-shaped recovery on the macro time now, right? Pretty interesting things, right? 702. Yeah. You like Trader, it's Trader Joe, right? I've seen that guy for a long time. I gotta say, I'm a brand new influencer. I've been around, look at my oldest videos on YouTube. All you gotta do is look at the oldest one that I printed. It's 1 year ago, right? But whatever it is, however it is that I'm able to bring this much attention, I don't know. But it certainly shows that there is a good, I guess it's a good forward test, right? It's growing exponentially fast. I'm eternally thankful for it. And I hope to continue providing that information, that healthy, good information to the team. I'm never gonna pump anything. I'm never gonna tell you that something has a downside when it has an upside, and I'll never invert that. And I don't give a shit about anybody's feelings. I'll say it the way it is and the way it shows. Because if the chart says it, I'm saying it. I'm gonna be the person that reads the glyphs to you. No matter what it says, I'm gonna keep true to you. No matter you're cursing at me, no matter whatever. There's a lot of shills out there. But know that from me. That's my promise to you, just like I always promised it from the very beginning. I don't care if the chart says downside or upside. I will tell you flat out. Because opposing everyone else, or who, I'm not saying everyone, right? But there are people out there who will just want to face the upside on this and not give you the warning. I don't give a fuck about I don't give one shit. I'm going to give it to you straight. So if you want straight price action, you'll listen to Arca Bulls here. So 702 Probo saying this shit is gold. My buddy, I love you, man. Thank you so much. Friends, you're out, buddy. Take care. Be safe. Get that rest. And we'll trade the financial markets together tomorrow. Candace, what is good? I'm very well. Thank you so much. And the family's doing good. Thank you. GME is at 2388 right now. Nice, man. Nice. We're hovering right around that low here. So we'll see what's up. We're going to catch this. We're going to catch it. So now seeing a lot of hype for Larry Chang going live tonight. Who's that? Is he GME as well? Batter, my bro. Good to see you in here. So now, guys, check it out. Batter coming in from Amsterdam, Netherlands. And it is 6:50 where he is. Good morning to you, my brother. Very well said. Love you, buddy. Oh, man, there is one. So, all right, we're going. Triple double G Arca. Easy Sly saying, man, I love it. Guys, so that's what I'm proposing here, guys, that we do have an immediate upside coming in, but that's not it. The thing is, let me see if I still have it. Oh, yeah, it's up here. And, okay. The problem here is that somebody was asking me earlier. This is not in the video. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. But somebody was asking me earlier, like, Arca, there's people talking about a $17 target. What does that mean? So, well, this is what it means, right? So this is a bullet. This is a bullish formation. This favors the upside. And I had some people saying, "Oh, bro, you're saying potentially this, potentially that, maybe probability this, maybe that, up and down and up and down and up and down." But fucking moron doesn't wait till the end of the video where I say that I'm actually favoring the bulls by around 66%. So you don't have the balls to wait? Then fuck you, bro. Get the fuck out of here. I don't want to see you. But anyway, check it out. This is going to be the upside right here. If it does play the way that we want it to play, look at this. Guys, we're going to make a joke out of that guy. We're going to make... We should invite him into the stream so we can all blast his name all over again. Over and over and over and over and over again and see if he likes it, right? Anyway, so we're looking at a potential upside based on 3 targets on a triangle formation, right? So we'll get that upside breaking out, I would say, around, let's say maybe power hour tomorrow, if it does happen, right? This is GME. So if we get the breakout to the upside, it would be roughly to around $29.67 to the upside, right? The second target measured from the middle, that's going to give you around $31.96. Now the third target, largest point of the triangle, that's going to be $35.94. So $35.94 could be an area for us to go to. Why does that rhyme? Well, because the daily ATR top is reading a 31.23. We already said that we would be reaching 31.93, right? So it's rhyming. So we do have that push. Now, remember that we're saying that we might gap up. If we gap up and we open at around $26 or $25, then that changes the dynamic of your ATR. That means that we would likely go a little bit higher. Now, what would that mean if we go a little bit higher? Well, that's where this target comes in, $35.94. I already am prepping you for every single potential. Now, while it is a bullish formation, yes, it's good, but remember, it's only based on probabilities. It is favoring the bulls, but it does not mean it can't be played to the downside. So I'm going to prepare you for it, right? So if it does have a downside, then we have these targets to evaluate. 2141. We have 1983 and 1770. Those targets all sound really familiar to you because I've talked about them over and over and over again, you guys. I have really talked about them all the time. Let's pull back. So if we're looking at the ascending broadening wedge, right? This is not the wedge itself. Well, maybe actually. The 1792 is the bottom side and traditional area to take profit from this rising wedge. Right? It's an ascending broadening wedge. Take profit, right? Per the playbook, is at the genesis. So it's already rhyming with that target that we've looked at. Now, the $20.13 zone. It's very, very important. Why? Because you can see right down here at $20.13 that we had a huge explosion over 2 days to around $47, right? Now, if we look further back and take a look at this little circle in here, that's $20.13, which is responsible for the $80 range that we went up to. So what I'm saying to you is that if it does pull back into those areas, then there is an extreme amount of demand waiting right there. It is like a freaking big, it looks like a big juicy mosquito. Or actually better said, is a big fat dude who's hot and sweaty and the mosquito is like hovering around him like I'm about to grub down. I'm about to grub down on this big fat red dude, right? So that's currently what I'm thinking here, guys. Guys, do me a freaking favor right now and make sure to hit those likes buttons. We literally have 6 more to reach 100 likes. I want to make sure that we can get 100 likes for every single live stream that we're doing from here till freaking forever and ever and ever. Never again will we see a stream without 100 likes. Guys, make sure, hit that like button for me right now. I absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much for participating. I really love that we can do this together. And we are about to hit the 5 new members for the Arca Bulls trading team. And I'm going to go ahead and do it just like the way we've been doing, right? But, and if you already know, don't say it out loud. Don't say it out loud, right? because we're going to go ahead and do it just like those other times. And I'm going to randomly select one of you to join the Arca Bulls trading team for a free month coming up in just a few minutes, guys. Look at that, man. We just blasted through the 100 resistance on the likes. I absolutely like it, man. I was actually just going to tell you that maybe I just need to wait for the 100 likes to hit before I actually start to get this thing. Guys, you just blew by it. I didn't even say nothing. Man, all right. This is good news. Now we can go ahead and start observing the potentials of getting those 5 new members. Man, are we ready to get these 5 new members into the Arca Bulls trading team? Ah, man. I'm eyeballing that. I am eyeballing that completely, buddy. Fuck the bullshit. Guys, so I want you to be ready for this because we're going to select a random amount of people here, right? 5 lucky people are going to get to win a free month to the Arca Bulls trading team. Guys, we are trading the financial markets every single day together, right? In the private Discord. And I want you to have a shot at that. And we're about to give you that shot here. Just wait for the instruction, right? Just wait for the instruction. And we're about to randomly select those winners, right? All right, man. All right. I love it, man. I love it. Here, you know what? Hold on. So let's go ahead and see this right now. All right, here we go. What I want you to do to win that chance is I want you to start typing all those fucking A's in the chat right now. Blast the fucking comments. Blast the section in and out, man. Type those A's in the chat right away so that I can select the random winner for the Arca Bulls trading team. Hurry up. Go ahead and start blasting them away. I want to see you in that chat, man. I want to see you in that chat blasting those A's in the chat, man. Let's go. All right, let me see how it's coming. Let's go, man. Let's go. Oh, man, I see him starting to roll. It's coming in. I see it. Keep on coming. Guys, you are going to get a chance to win a free month. All you have to do is type in those A's in the chat, and we're going to randomly select the winners, right? So roll them in. Let's go, right? Let's get that chat rate up. Let's go. Oh, yeah. You are now. Hit it, buddy.
No, take me off live.
Oh, yeah, I got you. You're off. Keep on going. I can hear you. Roll them. The sponsor is one. The sponsors are ones. All right, so Paul Orr is about to sponsor 2 of them. Here we go. So Jeff Hamill is one. Here we go. Jeff Hamill is one. Keep them coming in, guys. Paul Orr, my buddy, he just sponsored Jeff Hamill. Let's go. All right. Paul Orr is about to sponsor RB. What is up, RB? Here's the link for you guys, okay? I just typed it in the chat. Keep them coming, guys. Keep the A's going for a chance to win. Let's go. All right. So now, Jeffrey Rocha, what's up? That is the second member. That is actually CoinFox. CoinFox sponsor Jeffrey Rocha. Let's go. Hit that link in the chat. Keep them coming, guys. You're about to win one. Roll them. All right. The next winner is going to be Eric G. What's up, Eric G? Let's go. That's awesome, you guys. I love it, man. I love it. That's how it goes, you guys. All right. Now for the last winner, you guys. For the last one. Because we did get... Oh, yeah, that's right. For the last winner. Man, I did get 6. Wow. All right. Bogo. You are the last winner, my bro. Let's go. And that is also inspired and here by Preston G. So guys, Preston G, I owe you one too, buddy. Come in. Preston G, you better show up, buddy. I appreciate you so much. The winners have been announced, guys. I absolutely love it. Make sure to hit that link that I just put up in the chat. And I would love for you to come in and tell me who you are in the landing pad, okay? Now be patient. And for those of you who have already purchased the Lifeline membership, please be patient as well, right? We're going to be waiting here. We're going to have you waiting in the landing pad, and I'll get you in, all right, you guys? So thank you so much, everybody, for joining, for participating. Remember, we're always trying to do this, right? It's always a participation thing. So you guys literally donate, and we give it right back to the team, right? So make sure to come on by and keep doing this, right? So guys, thank you so much. All the donos in here for coming up and being as real as you are and giving that precious dollar away for somebody to win this. I absolutely love you. I absolutely love you, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is actually just shut the stream down now that we have all the targets to the upside and downside, right? So please make sure to join the Arca Bulls trading team. Get your butts inside of the ArcMastersCourse. I want to see you in class, guys. I want to see you in the front and center so we can make a change to our trading careers, okay? I want to see you front and center. Reach out to me at ArcMastersCourse@gmail.com. No excuses. Let's get ourselves to fucking rally here. Thank you guys so much for coming on out. I'm going to catch you on the fucking next one, okay? I love you guys. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Fucking ever. Ever, ever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool, right? But with that said, I wish you all a very good night or day, and I'll catch you at the fucking bell mañana. Adios!